Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to directly search on Google directly from your home screen. So you don't need to open Google Chrome, or you don't need to get into the settings or get into your menu and find Google and then you can search anything. So you can directly search from your main desktop screen. So you can just add a widget here. What we can do, we can just add this special widget. In the widgets you will find let me use my stick. You can find Google. In the Google we have 4 options. So here is this Google option. We can add to the main screen, and here it's been added to my second page. We're gonna bring it into the main page. So this is my main page. You can choose where you're gonna keep this widget. So I'm gonna keep it here. So from here now you can, it's extremely easy to use Google. You can directly search Google anything from your main desktop screen. So this is my main page. So let's say we're gonna voice search something, Gemini. So we're searching something right now. Let's say we're gonna search iPhone 13 Pro Max. That's how you use Google directly from your desktop. It's extremely easy to do that. Thank you for watching tutorial videos, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.